What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of some light upgrades on Brian's Hardbody. We got his new taillights. They're all LED. They're pretty awesome. I had them on my Hardbody before and I think they look great. They're going to look great on this one. His taillights are a little dim, so that's going to be a nice change so you can actually see him when he's stopping and like turning and whatnot. If we get a chance, we might switch my other two wheels on my Mazda. I've been putting the ones that I had cleaned up from the other video just to see how they look. The offset's a little bit bigger on those, so they're sticking out a little bit more, but we're gonna put some chrome fender like flares, I guess you could call them. So Brian's here ready. He also got the turn signals, which we're gonna switch on the front of it, and we also rocking the new t-shirts here. I think they're gonna look good, so
it's part of the uniform.
Just just keeping it more legit. And then another change we did, which I think we have a little bit of video on that, was we tried to do some tint on the Mazda and on the Hardbody. His is coming out looking a little bit better than mine, because we had our friend Paco. You might have seen him before. He helped us with some of it, but then some of it I had to do, and then on mine it kind of came out a little bit messed up, like right here mainly, but it looks good. And then oh shit, and then we also painted Brian's grill. If you recall, before it used to be silver. It wasn't the best. It looked kind of shitty, so we think that looks a lot better. He also put a little X over there, trying to go for that drifter style. And then we're gonna switch this lights right here for some clear ones to complete the look on the front. It's coming out all right. It's looking good. We got the tail lights back there, and then we're gonna go and put them in here. Let me show you. We're gonna change the stock tail lights. It looks like, have they been smoked? At least this one looks a little darker than the other one.
No, dude, I've never. It looks like it.
So we're gonna switch those real quick and get to work. Hopefully it's coming out good on this video. We're testing the new camera in here, so if it's a little shaky, a little off center, that's our bad. We'll get better at it. So let's go ahead and get that done and see how it looks. It's gonna look 10 times better. I used to have those tail lights on mine and they're bright, which I love.
To the Wi-Fi.
You want to do the honors and take it out of there?
Yeah.
Get the tail lights looking clean. Woo. So that's gonna be so it doesn't hyperblink.
Nice.
That they look really good. They're gonna look real good on the truck. Let's take the other one because that's the one I unhook first.
Okay.
And then we'll put it and swap this one out. So it's always something, I guess, with these old cars, which at this point I'm kind of used to. But it looks like they tap into the harness for some reason. We might need to follow these other cables down and see where they're going to. They might be going to the license plate.
Yeah, it looks like they're going to the license plate, dude.
You know what? You might have like towing harness hooked in here. It might be. That's what that might be. You know what? Let's unhook the other side and let's take that one out. We can put this one in here for now. Hello. Alright, so we took out the other one and it's not as bad as the first one, but it does look like they still tapped into this one for some reason. So we're not gonna worry about the taps for right now. We're just gonna plug the new taillights in, and then basically press the brake, turn signals, brake, and reverse and everything, just to make sure it works. And then we can worry about the taps that are in there, because I think it's just for towing. They might have been towing with it before and they just tapped into that to try to get the lights and all that for the trailer. So it shouldn't be a big deal if we don't have it, unless Brian wants to tow with it.
I'm not gonna be towing anything anytime
So we might just get rid of them and then just put the tail lights, as long as they're all working good. So let's go ahead and test that. Alright guys, so we were testing the lights on the Hardbody, and then we noticed that he wasn't having any reverse lights, which we had noticed before anyways, but we didn't do anything because we knew we were waiting for new lights. We figured it's probably just burned out bulbs, there was no point in switching them, but it looks like it's more than that. Most likely the reverse switch or it's burned out, or maybe the wires are not plugged in or something, so we're gonna have to look for that one later. Everything else works fine. The brakes, hazards, like everything else is fine, so it shouldn't be a big deal for now. We just need to find that switch and probably replace it, and then we'll have reverse lights. So right now Brian's trying to get the makeshift towing lighting kit that they added in here, so we can get rid of that since he's not going to be towing anything, and then we're going to put the brand new lights back where they go, and then we can turn them on and everything, show you guys on video so you can see how bright they are. So let's do that. Alright guys, it is getting late now. Hopefully you guys can still see us good on the video, but we finished installing the tail lights on the Hardbody. They're looking great. We're gonna turn them on here in a second so you guys can see, but let me show you. Look at that. Awesome. They're looking good. Here we have this side. It looks great. Then we're gonna move to the front so I can show you guys. Brian's trying to finish up putting the other one. There he is. Let me show you guys here. Here he is finishing up that one, and then we have this other side already done. Looks a lot cleaner than it did before with the orange ones that were like, you know, kind of gross, old and whatnot. So it's looking good. So once just Brian finishes up putting that in there, because he's struggling a bit.
No. Got it. Got it.
So now it's the moment we've been waiting for. I'm gonna have Brian get in the truck and turn on the tail lights so you guys can see it. Let's do it. Whenever you're ready, boss.
All right. Ready?
Ready. Look at that.
You want to press the brakes and all that?
Yeah, press the brakes and then put the hazards on so everyone can see them. There's the hazards. Way brighter. Oh man, it's starting to rain. Alright, let me look at the front real quick. And here we have left side. Put the right side. Yeah, buddy. All right, I need to go inside because it is raining. Woo! I don't want to get our nice new camera wet and, you know. Oh shit, my. We'll be back. All right, guys. So we're all done. It started raining pretty bad, so we didn't get a chance to film as good as we wanted to for the lights. But maybe you can see them here, hopefully in the background. They look pretty good. The clear ones look really good as well, so we're pretty happy about that.
Got them for 20 bucks on Amazon, dude.
20 bucks on Amazon, so that's pretty good. We'll probably link to you guys on both sets. I don't know, the other ones we got them on eBay. So we'll try to find that ones too. If we can find them on Amazon, then I'll link you guys on Amazon so that way you guys can have them faster. And the front ones were definitely from Amazon, so we can link you guys from there. And you should be good. But that's all we have for today. We didn't get a chance to do the wheels on the Mazda, but that's okay. We'll do it another day. So hopefully you guys like what you're seeing. Give us a like or a thumbs up, and hopefully you subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.